I almost signed up for Lovart AI way too fast. The name sounded creative, the demos looked clean, and my brain instantly went, okay, this could save me time. But I've learned the hard way. Before using any new AI tool, you need to slow down. So I did exactly that. Step 1. Why Lovart AI caught my eye. Lovart AI is positioned as a creative AI tool, something that helps with visuals, ideas, and design style content. If you create content, that's tempting because creativity takes energy and everyone wants shortcuts. The promise sounded simple: faster creative output, less effort. Step 2, first time using it. When I opened Lovart AI, the interface felt clean, not overwhelming, not cluttered. That's always a good sign, but I've been fooled before. So instead of getting excited, I tested small things first. Step 3, the actual results. Some outputs were honestly nice. Quick ideas, decent visuals, solid starting points. But other results felt unfinished. Like the AI gave me 70% and expected me to do the rest. That's when I realized something important. Lovart AI doesn't replace creativity. It assists it. And that's a big difference. Step 4, what worked versus what didn't. What worked? Easy to use, fast creative drafts, good inspiration tool. What didn't? Inconsistent quality, still needs human taste, not done for you output. If you expect polished, final work every time, you'll be disappointed. Step 5, who Lovart AI is actually for. Lovart AI makes sense if you already create content and just want help getting started. If you're hoping it'll magically create amazing designs without input, it won't. It helps people who already know what they want. Final thoughts. So before using Lovart AI, don't ask, can this replace me? Ask, can this speed me up? Because used the right way, Lovart AI is helpful. Used the wrong way, it feels average. Go in with realistic expectations, and you'll get much more value out of it. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.